I got like a stick in my wheel or something. Woo. Good morning, beautiful people of the internet. Today it's raining and I'm back in the forest trying to do a little bit trail maintenance, maybe build a jump. Brought some wood with me to the forest, go figured, and maybe I can ride it later on, let's see. But thank you for watching, and let's see what I can do today. Right, there's one tree which I always have to stop here because I don't fit here. I'm just gonna cut it out. Better. Yeah. Now we can go through. One job done. Now these two pieces are kind of in the way too. So I'm just gonna cut them too. That's one. Alright, that's better. Alright, so here I am. This is the spot last time I built a jump, but it didn't last, it broke. So I brought some wood. And I think if I have a nice run up from there, go there, do a little jump, and then swift left. I think that will be fun. Otherwise I can take this route, and that brings me a really good angle and take the corner that way. But yeah, let's see what I can build today. So it took me about an hour to dig out a hole, stick the wood over there, and then nail it over there. It was really hard, but there it is. There's a jump with a nice run up, and I clear the landing a little bit. So when you come up, jump, and then you can turn left over there. That was a wet run. It's raining, so it's a bit slippery, so I was all over the place, but it's sketchy but fun. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. Drop me a comment. Your comments always make me to go out and do this again, and see you on another adventure. Yeah. I think it's more of a bushwhacking mission than a ride today.